For years, the scientists at HSRX partner, Herbal Science, worked diligently to achieve a major breakthrough, the development of a technology platform that enables efficient screening of thousands of foods and spices to discover those that best target and hit the human genes and enzymes that are known to be involved with specific human diseases. The technology platform also uniquely identifies the chemicals in these foods and spices that are responsible for this biological activity. The identified bioactive chemicals become the quality control guide for the important first step of processing the foods, the selection of the food and spice feedstock. This quality control guide continues to be used to ensure that the processing of the raw feedstock into final product does not remove the critical bioactive chemicals. The results are the very first food-based medicines that are clinically proven, like a pharmaceutical, to provide a repeatable, dose-reliable, and fast-acting solution for many of today's major health problems. The flu is a disease caused by the influenza virus. There are two main proteins that cover the outside of the influenza virus: hemagglutinin and neuraminidase. Hemagglutinin, H, is responsible for allowing the influenza virus to enter and infect our cells by forming a bond with a sugar on the outside of the cell. Neuraminidase, N, is responsible for allowing the reproduced viruses in the infected cells to exit those cells by cutting the protein that anchors the newly produced viruses to the cell. They then quickly infect surrounding cells and are responsible for the rapid onset of influenza. HSRX 351 is a patented natural ingredient produced from a berry that contains nutrients that coat and prevent the virus from being able to fuse or form a bond with sugar residues on the cell it wants to infect. This blocks the influenza virus from entering the cell and effectively prevents the virus's reproduction cycle. Tamiflu is a drug that blocks the N protein so that it cannot release the newly reproduced viruses, preventing the new influenza virus buds from leaving the infected cell, thereby interrupting the reproduction cycle. The HSRX combination of these two compounds creates a powerful new oral flu treatment that replaces the old one-punch protection with a new two-punch protection to shield a global population from the annual influenza virus and also provide protection from the pandemic influenza virus that the global health authorities and others predict is imminent. By using this new combination technology, the scientists at HSRX have developed effective treatment therapies for many of today's most difficult health problems, and their continuing research is making a powerful impact on the future of medicine.